This is how to use a GoBilda Servo commander. So first, plug in your servo. Make sure that the black wire matches with the minus here. It should say S plus and then minus. So, like that. And after you plugged it in, plug in your battery. We have our own 6-volt battery, but you can use higher voltages like 12 volts. But if you're using voltages higher than 6 volts, make sure to use a voltage regulator to not damage it. So then, make sure that the black wire of your battery matches with the minus. So, like that. And while you're plugging in your battery, you can hold the 4th button right here to make sure that your servo, your GoBilda or Axon servo can turn to its full extent. So, yeah. So then, after you plug that in, you can use the servo commander to test the positions on your servo. So this is the max extent it can go on one side, and this is its max extent on the other side. Maximum it can turn. So then, you can also save different positions on the servo. So for example, these 4 numbers correspond to these 4 buttons, and each button can save a position. So for example, if you want to save, let's say, this position on the servo, and let's use button 1. If you want to save that position, you can press and hold number 1, and once it stops flashing, and once the light stays still, you let go, and that position is now safe. So whenever you turn your servo to a different position, you can press 1 to turn the servo back to its original, to its saved position, like this. So you can do that for any of these buttons. So for if I wanted to save a second position, like here, press and hold this button. Once it stops flashing, it's saved. And then if you turn it, you want to go back, press that button again. It will turn to its safe position. So after you're done using your servo commander, make sure to unplug your battery and servo.